Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
We are looking for a queue, sir. We are looking for a queue. We want to arrive early. We want to arrive early. We must be kept early. God is leading. Don't
Can you go?
even this door.
What's Steve now? Fat team now, bro. Fat team. Stop, Steve. Open it from there. Hold the person now.
This one, we need something like scissors.
I said, give me the black one.
Eddie.
As soon as yes.
So the choice is yours now, whether you want to copy from the front or hands backwards. The choice is yours. Hold the driver.
And just
Don't run ahead. When it's about the issues. When it's about the issues.
Kai me yasa kake haka ne Aminu? Kai wannan ma. Me yasa kake haka ne Aminu? Me yasa kake haka ne?
a sun tubo an gima ne.
IRU EKUN security network ó balẹ̀ jìgà sí ìlú Igboho mọ̀rẹ́ nílùú bàbá wa olóyè Sunday ọmọ Adéyẹmọ Igboho ṣà náà ni wọ́n balẹ̀ síbẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
I was traveling from Lagos, from Ibadan to Lagos, and Google Maps told me that there's a go-slow in the approach to Lagos. I decided to take Igboho, Shagamu, via Shagamu. And what struck me was that I just found myself on a paved road, concrete road. I said, wow, when was this one built? I've not been to Igboho for some time, and the few times I've been there, I always came through Ekwe. So I said, wow, this is different. And I found that our people, when I say our people, I mean our Igboho people, they've stopped complaining. I said, oh, no wonder they now have a brand new road that's not just an asphalt road, a concrete road.
Right.
Is that not beneficial to me or any use of that road? Is it beneficial? People are benefiting.
Yeah,
I live in Aja.
Yeah.
Anytime I go to Lagos and I ask Google Map to tell me how soon will I get home, Google Map will tell me 1 hour, 7 minutes. Before, 2 hours, 30 minutes. And the reason for that is because we now have a coastal road that has shortened my travel time. Is that not beneficial? What are people talking about really? Look, if you have students, if you are a parent, and you have 4 children in university, and they're able to access federal loan, which is interest-free, are they not benefiting? Are the parents not benefiting?
You see,
if you are a civil servant and you can access the credit card, very cheap loan, at below interest is about 7%, now people can access that loan at single digit. Are they not benefiting?
Well, there are question marks over how monies are
just,
trickling down to people with regard to those loans.
We have been pigeonholed into certain assumptions, certain conclusions. People just say it's like in the early days of this government. I think the president went to Lagos. I think it was coming from the Central Mosque, and somebody now did a voiceover. And that means we are hungry. Since then, people have been saying that, hey, we are hungry.
Yeah, but
I'm a Nigerian. I have people working for me privately. I don't see the level of hunger people are talking about because I see them and I keep asking them questions. How are things? How are they adjusting? What are the problems?